waiting for this for such a long time. I'm gonna start with this. This is just stunning. I love Hermes jewelry. I think they're very unique, and they are very few pieces, so you don't see everybody in Hermes jewelry. This is also from a previous purchase, and this is from a previous purchase, and these are from a previous purchase. So I feel like my jewelry is a little bit more unique than some of the brands, and I love them. I'm gonna open, okay, let me just open, okay, let me open this one. Let me open this one. I have this in another color, but when I saw this color, it's like, this is my color. Like, the other one is my color. I have it in turquoise, but this color is my favorite color of all time in bags. And this one comes in a blue box. Oh, you're gonna see it immediately. Hang on, I'm gonna do this. This is what I mean by a blue box. Are you guys ready? Hang on. I need to do like a little reveal. This gorgeous thing. Round 1, 2, 3. Ta-da! How beautiful is my Rouge de... I don't know. I do not want to drop this. This is the Rouge de Cœur. It's the red of the heart. Whatever that translation. I don't think it worked that well. But this is Rouge de Cœur. And I am in love with this bag. I love it. I love it. I love it. With the white dress, with the black dress, with denim, white shirt. I can dress it up. I can dress it down. I love this bag so much. Open actually the other things that I usually buy from Hermes, and I love those pieces, and I have them since 11 years, and none of them have been damaged, not even one. And it's the Hermes swimsuits. They have the best quality swimsuits. I have maybe more than 50 swimsuits. I've been collecting them for 11 years. I can wear them as a body as well, with shorts in the summer, with jeans, with like Alaya skirts, with Hermes shorts. I love the swimsuit so much. I love that little detail here. So here's one. This is the first swimsuit. I told you I have like more than 50 swimsuits, because none of them, like, they don't lose the elastic, they don't lose the color. They're just so stunning. I got this, which I love. It's like swimsuit material. So if I want to swim in France, the water is freezing, and this will help me swim, but also I can wear it like during the day with the swimsuit that I bought, the matching one, or on its own with denim shorts. Okay, this one, it's actually not for me, it's for Ella. And this is, look how stunning this is. This is so gorgeous, so beautiful. I'm sure Ella's gonna wear it as a body. Look at the rubber on the insides, it doesn't slip. Hermes swimsuits never, ever, ever fall. Even though I'm quite full on top, they don't fall at all. They do not budge. The Hermes ones, the quality is so incredible. And to be honest, they're not expensive when you compare them to other high-end brands. They are about half the price of other high-end brands. So this is gorgeous. I love this one. I'd like one for myself, but this is for Ella. And this is the top for it. How cute is this? How pretty is that color? This is raspberry, and it's just so stunning. No, this is mine actually. This one is mine. I didn't get the bottom for this, but I got the top because I didn't want to miss out. So they're ordering me the bottom for this. Look how beautiful this detail here. How gorgeous is that? I love it. I love it. That's with the top that I showed you earlier. Oh, another one for Ella. Okay, Ella's lucky this summer. She got 3. And how cute is this print? Look at that. Typical gorgeous Hermes orange print. Okay, not a lot of people like orange. I love orange. If you love Hermes, you have to love orange. I don't love Hermes. I adore Hermes, and I love orange. And look how stunning this is. Look at these details. Don't ask me why I'm obsessed with the brand. I'm not just obsessed with the bags. I'm obsessed with their swimsuits. I'm obsessed with their jewelry. I'm obsessed with everything that they do. Here we go. I really don't remember what's inside. This is the scarf that you can wear on top of your swimsuit. Look how stunning this print is. Look how light, so light. Again, I have maybe like 10 of these. I wear them to the Maldives. I go 2 times a year. I've worn them to every single beach resort I've been to, all the staycations in Dubai. And again, not even one, thank God, has been ruined. Big ones, you can wear them as like a dress, or you can like gather them and wear them as a long skirt. And they're stunning. What's that? Ah, yes. This is my gorgeous cap. How pretty, is it pretty? Look at that. I love this. I know what's in here. There's another hat in here. Ta-da! Rouge de coeur. It's matching with my bag. This hat, I have maybe like 5 different materials. I have it in leather. I have it in like a wintry felt material. And this is like a very special summer material. And I love this hat so much, so much, so much. Okay, trust me, I know what's inside, but I don't know which one I'm opening right now. I've waited for this since 2022. So this one, yes. Look, 1, 2, 3. This is from the fashion show. Ta-da! Look at this. How special and stunning is this? How stunning is this? Look at this, people. Look at this. I can't wait to remove all the stickers. By the way, I found out that some people do not remove the stickers of their bags. This is a huge mistake. One, why wear something that is dull when you can have it so beautiful and shiny? Just remove the stickers and enjoy your bags like being super beautiful and shiny. I can't wait to rock this. And this one, I got it for Ella. It's a super special one. Let me show you this gorgeous baby. And the strap, look at this strap. When I saw the strap, I was like, what? Like, I have not seen anything like this before. Leather weaved. How stunning is this? Look at that. Oh, this is a cutie, okay? Shame, Ella, you're not having this bag. Oh my God. This is a Kelly to go, people. And again, I'm going to remove the stickers. And let me show you this gorgeous, stunning bag. Look at the detail. Look at that little cute lock. Look at that gorgeous lock. You can put your cards. You can put your money safely in here. You can put 2 mobile phones. And this one hooks up. Stunning, right? Beautiful. Okay. I'm not going to take time to put the strap because I have to unbox this massive box for you. Da-da-da-da-da. Are you ready? Da-da-da-da-da. Da-da-da-da-da. Here we go. Look at that gorgeous box. Look at that gorgeous box. 1, 2, 3. Ta-da! It's a blue box. It's a blue box. Okay, blue box are the special bags that all the collectors want right now. Look at that blue box. Oh yeah, I'm keeping this. Are you ready? Steady. Ta-da! Look at these gorgeous wheels. 1, 2, 3. Ta-da! قد حلوة. How beautiful is this? I have the matching cargo Birkin. This is the cargo travel bag. And how stunning is this? Here we go. Okay, people. I hope you liked all my unboxing. Ciao, ciao.